stunning Moceri custom home sitting on a quiet 1.11 pristine acre cul-de-sac lot with first floor master, finished walkout basement, built-in pool, 300K in Waterfalls and ample space kid space. Built in 1999, this home has had $446,000 in renovations in the last 6 years. Front entrance has 25,000 chandelier, oversized dining room, private tucked-away paneled library, massive master retreat, his and her dressing room wings and private closets, open concept kitchen to family room and breakfast room, 2 staircases up and down, loft on the 2nd floor for the kids with home workstations, oversized bedrooms all with large walk-in closets, finished walkout with 2nd kitchen, workout and kids playrooms, 2nd laundry and locker wing for the guests with full bath and sauna. 4-car garage with built-ins, all brick home with stunning terrace and million-dollar views. 5887 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 4.2 bath. Roof 15, kitchen remodel 14, furnace 14, HWH 14, AC 18. Entertainer's dream house. Welcome home!